Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today I have some great ideas that could potentially boost your trading profits. Today is the 4th of October 2023 and we're diving into most of the major currencies, the Dow, the DAX and some Bitcoin. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the pound. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Please note the disclaimer in the description. At the end of this video, I will also show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now back to the pound. The pound, if you draw the Fibonacci from here, from that high of this last move there to this low here, and you look at the relative strength there, you can see that the pound is really weak, and it's being weak for quite a long time, and now with the dollar very strong. If you look at the dollar charts on the daily chart, you can see this rising channel on the dollar index, and this is a daily chart, and as long as it stays in this channel, we will see dollar strength. We need to get back down below this channel before we can consider any dollar bearishness. So for now, I am very dollar bullish for today still. And once we retest this Fibonacci level of the swing here, you can see a little bit of structure coming in the market there. There was some support there before it broke down. So when it retests, we can consider. Now, we cannot trade straight there. We just have to wait for some reversals. This is a 4-hour chart, so we will typically wait for a 4-hour candle reversal, or on a 1-hour candle reversal, or some consolidation reversals, or double tops, or head and shoulders, or any pattern that you like trading. But you have to make sure that it tests the level there first before we some form of a short here on the pound US. Now, mainly I like to do a 1-hour reversal there. That's one of my favorite setups. Next on my radar is the Euro US. It should do basically the same as the pound US. The euro is slightly stronger than the pound there, but still way weaker than the dollar. So I've also drawn the Fibonacci on this last swings here. And when we get back to this market structure here, the support level here that could turn into resistance at the 61% Fibonacci there. You can also wait for a 1-hour reversal there or a 4-hour reversal, and then attempt this short, and then a stop loss just above the recent high of that candle reversal. Now let's talk about the New Zealand CAD. The New Zealand CAD, if you look here, it's not a major currency pair, it's a cross. Now New Zealand there and CAD up there. New Zealand still very strong. It was much stronger than the dollar for a few days now, losing a little bit of steam on this retracement, but New Zealand's still a place to be long, and the CAD a place to be short. So the New Zealand CAD has now also hit this swing here. You see this Fibonacci retracement here between the 50 and the 60 zone. You can see quite a few levels coming in here from there and there. It already hit that level there today, and a very nice 4-hour reversal here, which is a piercing line. Right following after that is a nice hammer candle showing us a confirmation of this potential entry. One can also wait for a 1-hour reversal, which we didn't really get. I can't see a candle reversal here. That's why I'm sticking to the 4 hours for some long entries. So this is definitely a very nice long entry, and stop loss down on these lows or just below this trade zone here. You can also look at some consolidation here by connecting that fractal with that fractal. You can say, all right, you know what? I want to take a little position here, and then on the breakout of this, another position. Targets most likely Fibonacci is 1.27, 1.618. We always aim to get a 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5 at least. Targets mostly set at 1.27 or 1.618 Fibonacci. I would like to split these trades into two pieces, where I can then have a partial close at 1.27 and the balance of the trade at 1.618. The euro pound, never my favorite, but it just looks very good when I look at it. If you look at the euro there, pound there, euro still beating the pound. And I saw this morning, I saw a very nice bullish trend coming in there. A little bit of a breakdown, and then a consolidation rising like a flag pattern for another trend down the page. But the target of this flag pattern for a short side is this recent low. There I pick up a lot of support coming in at market structure here. So Obviously this could break now, retest, reverse. I will not short this, I'm looking on the long side. But when it gets down here, that means anybody that traded the flag will be taking profits. And this could be a nice setup for us on a 1 hour reversal, candle reversals, 4 hours, any pattern, any reversal pattern that you do like. This is the level that I look for at the euro pound, as long as the euro stays stronger than the pound. Next, the US Swiss. I like the US Swiss. If you look there at my rating there, the dollar, obviously I want to be long here. So this is what I'm looking at. This is 61. I drew the Fibonacci from this low to that high, and we get back to the 50% there at market structure. So we need this to test. So once it tested, we need the 1 hour chart to test, and then I will look for a candle reversal, any pattern reversals, any technical analysis, reversal patterns there would be fine. Next up would be the New Zealand Swiss franc, approaching a big level here. You can see the resistance there, support there, resistance and support yet again. Let's hope for the best here, but if I look at New Zealand there and then the Swiss franc here, still strong there, still one of my favorite pairs to be long in. It gives me another opportunity to be long on the New Zealand and then short on the Swiss. So we already tested the level. Don't see a candle pattern reversal there yet on the 4 hours. On the 1 hour charts, we've got a nice hammer candle there, busy making a bullish engulfing here. So this could be another entry just now, and stop loss just below these lows here. I like to give it about a 10 pip slippage for potential stop loss. If we're wrong, then we will look at a different level. Looking at the Australian dollar, which is much weaker than the New Zealand. You can see Aussie, one of the weakest pairs here for us now. New Zealand, one of the stronger ones. So I like to short the Aussie here, right at the support level here, resistance level there, in that trade zone here now. Haven't seen a 4 hour reversal, but look at the shadows there. We can see a lot of resistance coming in there, waiting for a 1 hour reversal. Now there's no reversal there. There's no reversal, but this one is forming a very nice strong black candle here. Could give us a nice bearish engulfing, and that could give us then a short entry here on the 1 hour charts. The Aussie Swiss, another one we can look at being short on the Australian dollar, and you can see here Aussie Swiss there, and it's basically the same. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Swiss. Just two different opportunities getting in. And I already see a nice bearish engulfing here on the 4 hour chart. Look at this market structure here. Resistance, support, support, another resistance there. Trend is turning nice bearish, and I can see the Aussie is the one that I want to be short in at this stage, with a stop loss then just above those highs. That's one of your better entries. If you look at the 1 hour charts here on the reversals, look at this nice dark cloud cover that already gave an entry. Dark cloud cover, long white, long black, closing below the halfway mark. Even the sweet spot, the halfway mark of the black candle, got tested for a short. Then on the CAT Swiss, testing the level, busy turning. You can see here CAT and Swiss. CAT's weaker than the Swiss, so we would like to be short here. So I would like to see a break below the support level. You can see there, resistance, support, support, support. Now busy taking out. I'm looking for a convincing break, a retest, and then a nice technical reversal when we get back at this level. That might not happen today, but maybe in the next few days, as long as the CAT stays weaker than the Swiss franc. The trend is just turning now, so I would like to get in a nice short trend here, like we had a bull trend here. I would like to get early into this trend if possible. Then the Dow Jones. If I draw the Fibonacci on this last big swing here, the retracement is in the magic zone of 50 to 61%. We pick up some resistance there, some support there. So if the Dow Jones managed to get back up there, I will consider some shorts there. Why am I still bearish on the Dow Jones? Is the trend is bearish on the slope direction line here. On a strong dollar, that's stock market negative. And as long as the dollar is up there, I'll stay bearish on the stock market. Same scenario with the DAX. The DAX also last nice swing here, 61% Fibonacci. We got some support coming in there, resistance coming in there, support coming in there, right at that 61% level. So that's the area I will still look for shorts on some form of reversal. Then my favorite idea for today is a long on Bitcoin. But first, if you are new to the channel and find this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss out on any of my daily video ideas. Then let's get back to my favorite setup for today, the long on Bitcoin. Now, very strong market structure coming in here since February 2023, and it's been confirmed a fourth time here now. So I think the bottom is in here. Now we got this falling trend line, the break on the daily charts, trend has reversed, any retest here with a nice reversal pattern on a 4-hour chart or on a daily chart. I would then look definitely for a long, because it's been a long time since we could really get strong signals on Bitcoin. We had a little bit here, not much of success here, but now the trend seems to be, it wants to continue. So this is my favorite setup for today, and maybe for this whole week to watch this one. But trading isn't just about my insight, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with my trusted broker, which I've used since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, trade well.